Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. As requested, I have had many people reach out to me, DM me to do a tutorial on how I put on my lashes, and today we're actually going to do that. So let me start off with what you're going to need. Of course, you're going to need some lashes. Now, you can buy your lashes anywhere. You can buy them on Amazon, you can buy them at Sally's, Walmart, wherever you live near, or anywhere that sells makeup. I'm pretty sure they'll have false eyelashes. I personally have been loving the Shop Miss A lashes. Now, I did actually throw away the packaging for it, but I do have a fresh pair ready to go, and these are what they look like. All right, so now that we have our lashes that we're going to be wearing, you're going to need lash glue. The one that I have been loving a lot is the one where you have the wand to apply the glue. So that is the one that I'm going to be using. What else do we need? I actually like to curl my lashes, and the reason why is because my lashes are slightly straight and not really up. So I do like to curl them so they can blend in with my false lashes. I also like to use mascara on top of my lashes. I actually really like doing the method where you put the mascara on first before your lashes. That way it stays on longer and it also blends in better as well. Also, you might need lash applicators or tweezers. I actually got these from Amazon as well. When you first start putting lashes on, I would suggest using the applicator. Some people like myself actually just use their hands. So another thing that I do have is I actually got these eyelash extension tweezers. I actually like to use these just to pinch my lashes together. That way they go closer to the lash line, just to make sure it actually adheres and gets low, so it actually looks more natural than false. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I like to do is I like to curl my lashes just like that, and I like to give a few squeezes just to make sure it actually curls up. So like about maybe 5 or 6 squeezes just to be sure. Okay, so you can definitely tell the difference. This one is more upwards, and curled opposed to this side is more, you can't really see all the lashes. And I'm gonna do the other eye. Now that I have done that, this is when I will go in with my mascara. Like I said, the mascara is gonna be almost like a glue, if you will, but this is just gonna add extra security for your lashes to stick better, in my opinion. So what I do next is, now here is the packaging for the lashes. Now you could definitely just rip it off if you wanted to, but you do not want to rip them off at all, because they will rip and they will tear, and then you'll be out of lashes or one lash. So I just use my tweezers. I go in the ends, grab it gently. You don't want to rip the hairs or anything. Okay, so here's the first lash. Okay, there is a little bit of glue. You can see kind of right here, that shininess here is glue they use to stick to the packaging. So you do want to go over and take it off, or your lash glue will not adhere to your eyes at all. So I try to make sure to rip off that glue, and all you do is just take your time and just peel off the glue. That's the first thing I like to do. So now we're gonna get into actually putting the lashes on. What I like to do before I put my lash glue on my lashes is I actually like to put them on my lids first. So I try to make sure it's as close to oops, as close to the lash line as I can get it. Okay, so there's the first side. Okay, just like that. So now I go in with my lashes. Okay, so here's a lash. All right, so what you want to do is you want to flip it. Now the lashes are curved, as you can see they are curved. So you want to go to the side that you're actually going to be sticking. And doing this just adds extra, you know, security to your lashes, just to give you a little peace of mind that they're actually sticking to your eyes. While this is drying, I will do the other lash. And another good thing to do is you can do this so it's more shapes to your lash line. Now, if you're like slightly like a pro like myself, you can definitely go in after your lashes are dry, pop them on, stick them on. But for the purpose of people who do not know how to put on their lashes, I suggest using an applicator until you feel like you're ready to actually use your hand. Just stuck it on. Okay, so now, and you can tell which one goes in the inner corner. Usually the inner corner piece will be shorter and the one on the outer corner will be longer. So you always want to watch out for that. That way you're not mixing up the two. Yeah, so now here it is. As you can see, this left eye is dry. The lash, hold it, and just stick it right in the middle. And then I go into the sides, hold it. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna kind of squeeze a little bit to make sure. Okay, and then the other side. Okay, there's the first lash. It's kind of a little bit messed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. Just go in and just kind of like stretch it out a little. Make sure it's actually on the lash line. So you could just use these, just clamp down the lash. So there is the first lash, and as you can see, a very dramatic difference. I kind of like go like this a little just to make sure they're a little spaced out. Ooh. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move a little bit quicker. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it with just my fingers. That, and then the inner corner. Oops. And sometimes you might mess up a little bit. So lucky the thing with lash glues, you can, well, with this particular lash glue that I use, it's like very easy to stick them, take them off and then re-stick them if I messed up. And then I use my fingers to kind of squeeze. Okay. All right, there we go. Both sides. So this is when I use my tweezers and I just kind of squeeze them so they're secure. And you can even go on top. And that is how you put on fake false lashes. So today I'm actually just going to be going outside like this. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my lashes. I've been getting a lot of requests, so I hope that I fulfilled a lot of people's wishes. Just remember, if you did enjoy watching, to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below and give some tips on people who don't know how to use lashes or don't know how to apply them. Drop some tips down below. I would love to know, and so would the audience watching would love to know. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope I answered some of you guys' questions, and I hope this tutorial helps. Because when I first started putting on lashes, it was really hard at first, but once you get the hang of it, you're gonna be rocking lashes every single day and you're gonna love it. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, as well hit the red subscribe button down below so that you'll be updated every single time I upload here on YouTube. Until the next time, hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next Kayla's Curls video. Bye guys.